Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. It has been a whole year since I started using my Nebulyft Multipolar Micro RF anti-aging device. It is radio frequency, and I've had some really great results. I'm so excited to share with you guys. If you've been following me along, I've been doing like some 3 months updates, 6 months updates, and I have reached a year, and I am so excited to show you my before and after picture because it is amazing and it shows the proof. And in fact, today I am doing this video barefaced. If you'd asked me a year ago if I would ever stand in front of a camera without makeup on, I would have laughed. But here I am. I am feeling much more confident in my skin these days. I just used my N1 device, just barely. So as you can see here, and I've got like a radiant glow. All I did was wash off the gel and moisturize, and my skin just looks and feels amazing. It feels super plump and soft. I get some really great anti-aging results. But if you look at my before and after, you will see the lines that is the most noticeable around my eyes, like the crow's feet that I definitely have. I'm 42 years old, so I definitely have some lines around the eyes and some smile lines, but most noticeably is the eyes. I was super impressed with that. And then also sunspots. I know it doesn't say specifically that it helps with that, but for me it has. I am a Leo. I worship the sun. I've been out in it all summer. So usually this time of year I'm super blotchy, and that is definitely why I wear makeup. But using my Nebulyft, I feel very confident. I don't really have hardly sunspots this year, just a little bit of freckling, but this is dramatically better from normal regular years. By November, after spending all summer in the sun, my skin is usually pretty wrecked. So I am super impressed with that. Absolutely. So you guys, definitely check out the Nebulyft if you haven't. I highly recommend it. After a year of using it, I love it. I'm definitely going to continue to use it after these amazing results. Definitely getting rid of those crow's feet and fine lines. And my skin just looks and feels amazing. I'm going makeupless more often when I go out and leave the house, and I never thought I would ever be able to do that. Like, that's amazing to me. So I'm very excited about that. So be sure to check them out, you guys. It also helps with acne, with redness, if you have any of that. It's really soothing for skin. I find it super relaxing. I do it before bed because it feels amazing, like spa-like. And I get the relaxation with it. So I love it. It's just a quick 10 minutes. So really awesome, exciting opportunity for you. They have an amazing sale going on all this month of November. If you want to try either of the Nebulyft RF devices, I highly recommend that you buy them this month because the deals are amazing. Right now you can get the R1 with 20% off. So it is regularly $4.99. You can get it for $3.99 right now, plus 2 50 milliliters of gel with that, which is amazing because you'll want to use the gel with your Nebulyft. If you want the N1, which I use, you can get it at 10% off right now. It is down from $7.99 to $7.19, plus get 2 50 milliliters of gel with that as well. And you get 5 moisturizing facial masks, which are amazing. I've tried them with that purchase as well. All their other accessories are up to 35% off as well. So a great time to shop and try Nebulyft. Also makes a great gift for anyone on your holiday shopping list, like mom or your best friend. It is amazing, you guys. Highly recommend checking it out. And at this deal, crazy not to buy right now. Do yourself a favor, give yourself some self-love this season. Buy yourself a Nebulyft, feel better in your skin like I have. I know you're going to love it. I highly recommend using it. I could not be more happy with my year results. And I'm so excited to just keep using my Nebulyft radio frequency device and see what happens from here. So again, check them out at nebulyft.com, but don't miss the amazing deals going on all this month at Nebulyft. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with anyone you think would be interested. Comment below if you have any questions for me. If you've used the Nebulyft, I would love to hear your thoughts on it, your experience. Check out their website. They have amazing, tons of amazing 5-star reviews. I'm not the only one loving this amazing anti-aging device. All right, thanks for watching, you guys.